Did you know that the size, or more precisely the length of a head, is one of the most important things when drawing a human figure? Students often make mistake that they draw a head which is either too small or too big in proportion to the rest of the body, which is one of the most common mistakes. So the head size, or its length, serves as a unit of measurement, and we use this unit to measure all other body parts. For example, let's look at this beautiful sculpture of Venus de Milo, and if we are drawing it live, what we would do is we would take her head as unit of measurement, and we would measure how many times her head fits into her body. If she had the arms, which she doesn't, we would see how many times her head fits into her arms and legs and so on. Let's look at another example. Let's look at one of my drawings of Discobolus, and I have done something to this drawing. I've actually used a bit of editing skills and editing software to change one small part of this drawing. Can you tell which one it is? I'll give you a hint. It relates to the head in proportion to the rest of the body. As you can see here, the head is far too big for the rest of his body. Now let's look at the actual drawing, and this is my original drawing, and you can see the proportions work really well in here. The head is well proportioned against the rest of the body. So one more time, let's look at before, when the head was far too big for his body, and then let's look at the original, which has the correct proportions. So from now on, remember that a head is very important when drawing human figure. We use it as a unit of measurement to measure correct proportions in a drawn figure. If you would like to know one key tip that will help you with human figure drawing, definitely watch my next episode right here.